Create and execute Windows command files, the do while and do until loops. I lied. The Batch command language doesn't have the while and until loops found in most modern languages. However, it's easy to pretend they are there using if, goto, and labels. You are watching a Tom's Tech Notes video. If you like this video, please wait until you are finished watching it, then click my name, Thomas Wallace, to visit my channel page. A welcome video will play to describe my other videos. This is the code that simulates the do while command. The do while executes a block of code while a given condition is true. I have turned off the echo so that the output won't be as confusing. If you would like to copy the batch code from the website, just take out the echo off command since the default is echo on. What this does, it keeps going through the loop as long as the variable is less than 10. It starts with a variable of 0. It calculates the variable times itself and then echoes the variable value and what x squared is. Then it increments the variable by 1, does the test to see if it's still less than 10, and if it is, it repeats. When you put the test at the bottom, you reduce the number of instructions that are in the loop to 4. It would be 5 otherwise if you had the test at the top of the loop. So whether you're doing the do while or the do until, if you structure it so the test is at the bottom, it's one instruction shorter. So let's look at the output. It keeps looping back as long as x is less than 10, and as soon as it isn't, it comes through the if and hits the pause. Here's the results. Starts at 0, x squared is 0, 1, 2, 3, up to 9, x squared is 81. The last echo is when x is 9, but then x gets increased to 10. When x is 10, this test is false, so it does not go to the loop. It follows through into the pause. Then it starts the second loop, which is basically do until, and it loops until x is greater than 9. These two are equivalent because of where the test is. So it loops around, it does the test first, it sets x equals 0, it does the test first. If x is greater than 9, you quit, you go down to done. Otherwise, you do calculate the square of x, and then you echo them both out, and you increment x by 1, and you loop around. So it's going to go until x is greater than 9. But that means it would already have echoed 9 squared, then it got bumped to 10, then it passed the test to get out of the loop. So it's going to do the same thing, it's just that the test is in a different place. Do untils and do whiles are equivalent. You can structure the code to put the test wherever you want. The batch programming language doesn't have the structures themselves, the do while and the do until, like many of the modern languages do. There's the results for the do while, the first loop here. Once I press the space bar, it will display the results from the second loop. And it's the same. It goes 0 squared up to 9 squared and quits. So again, the test is in a different place. Do while and do until are similar to each other. The do while implies that the test is at the top of the loop. It doesn't have to be. The do until implies that the test is at the bottom of the loop, but again, it doesn't have to be. You can put the test wherever you want as long as you set the logic up correctly. Thanks for watching my video. If you like this video, please click my name, Thomas Wallace, to visit my channel page to watch my other videos.